From initial concept through delivery, companies are looking to automate the design through manufacturing process. At the earliest stage of design, a topology study uses goals and constraints to determine ideal geometry, automating the guess and check process, and serves as a gateway to additive manufacturing. Leveraging new options and distributed loads, designers can evaluate parts without simulating complex assembly connections, a huge time saver early in the design process. New options to apply geometry-based controls in SOLIDWORKS plastics make simulation easier for designers, delivering valuable feedback on part manufacturability. Injection molders and tool designers can also take advantage of this new workflow to optimize the injection molding process. Simplifying a complex analysis, SOLIDWORKS flow simulation delivers many new options to visualize results, solve new problem types, and further leverage parametric study automation. Powerful simulation tools that are easy to implement. Simulation is a critical part of the design process, and the SOLIDWORKS suite of tools delivers the power analysts and engineers demand, with the ease of use designers need to achieve their goals.